And I don't think whatever it is I'll get up. Maybe I will.
Oh, I wonder. Oh!
I'm Jason.
And I'm Lauren.
And we're Daddy and Daughter Plus Water. We're here with Jason from the Magnetic Squatch, along with my daughter Hannah and her boyfriend Brendan. You might recognize this spot. This is the spot where we pulled up the shotgun. We're gonna get the cameras on, the magnets in the water, and see what we can pull up. All right, so we've got these guys on this side here. They're gonna be throwing some magnets. Let's see if they can beat the old man.
Today I'm using the 550-pound Centurion Magnetics magnet.
All right, guys, we've got the 1,400-pound anti-collision Brute Magnetics single-sided magnet. If you guys are looking for a magnet, check out the description below for a code to save 10% off anything at brutemagnetics.com. All right, first cast. Oh, there's something right here. Oh, that's so good. Just came off it, but there's something pretty good there. It clicks right on it. And first cast gets me a bunch of scrap. Oh, there's definitely something down here. Ooh, I might have something. Oh! Looks like a... Look like a net, maybe. I think it's a net. Oh! Alright, it's third cast. I'm gonna get the grappling hook on already. There's a, I believe it's a fishing net down here, but I can't seem to get it. Hopefully, the grappling hook will latch onto it. Alright guys, I've got a bunch of sticks and a net that just won't give up.
Oh, this looks like it was a sign. Oh, this definitely was a sign of some sort. I think it's beyond distinguishable on what it can say, but heck yeah.
All right, guys, let's see if we can get this net up this time.
Get it? All right.
Yep. All right, guys.
Sorry.
I got a net. Hey, Lauren's got her first find here. I'm not sure.
It's hard to get off though, it's super heavy.
All right, let's try this.
What is it?
I don't know.
Is it heavy?
All right, Lauren just found this. Yeah, it's super heavy.
What's the inside of it? Oh my god.
All right, Lauren, good find. All right, Hannah just pulled this up, her first find. Some sort of warning label on it here. It looks like it might be from a telephone company. Something Bell.
Bell
Sweet.
South,
Maybe.
Air service, it says. Air service.
Oh, Hannah's got something.
It's fishing line with a hook attached, and then whatever's stuck to the other hook at the bottom.
Oh.
Looks fresh, so.
Looks fresh.
Okay, so wait.
Good garbage out of the water.
Yep. All right, Hannah says she's got something.
Feels like something.
I don't know. You might.
I thought it was something with my magnet. I felt it like get magnetized or whatever. But then I couldn't get it.
There's a bunch of stuff.
Well, yeah, but I felt something like right where I just had it and you pulled up.
Yeah, pull it up. You might have something on there.
This is the one that...
Be careful you don't lose that, honey.
Trying to do it slowly.
What does your shirt say?
But I also don't know like how Brenda's magnet is.
What does your shirt say, Hannah?
I got it from Bucky's last night.
All right, we're gonna see if Hannah's got something. No,
Something?
no, it's the carabiner on it.
Oh.
You drag this way, I'll drag right next to you and we'll see if we can get it. Did you hit anything?
All right, here we go.
All right, I'm on something here. I don't know if you want to try to get close to me or if you think that's too...
There's a bunch of oil over there, like, I mean a lot.
Yeah, we just got some up here too. Some oil.
A ton, like...
Is it coming up from the bottom or just floating on top?
Floating on top.
It might have been from us. Yeah, somewhere in there. What was that?
I don't know, but you heard that too, huh?
You got my
GoPro,
magnet.
so I got you.
That's all right. It's a good angle. We can get it off. We pulled up this. I don't know if it's a piece of a pipe. Interesting. There's something out there and there's something here. Alright. There's definitely something there. Well, alright, a couple spark plugs. Oh yeah, something. Another spark plug. All right, I'm on something down here. Jason's gonna pull across it with his magnet and the claw, and hopefully we'll get something.
Catch it and not you.
All right, we've been struggling with something down there. I'm gonna use my claw. Jason's got his claw and magnet on. Here, I'll get this one ready. Oh, we got lots of oil coming up now. Damn, that's freaking heavy, man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh crap. Oh shit.
That's all right. All right, we got Jason pulling on something. This is whatever we've been catching on. He finally got his hook on it. And I don't think whatever it is I'll get up. Maybe I will.
Oh, I wonder if... Oh!
All right, guys. This is what I was hooked onto before. I just came down, got it offshore. The board to some sort of electronic thing. Zenith. Hey, I think that's part of a TV. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
Oh! Loose?
Jason's up there. He's got his grappling hook going. He's hooked on something right down here. We're gonna see if we can get it out. All right, attempt number 2. Jason's readjusted. And I am in the prime spot to be the first to see what it is. If it's something good, I'll tell Jason it's nothing, and then I'll get it. It's a frame of something.
That's a frame to that television.
It might be that television. I think you might, and you got a fishing pole with it.
Oh, heck yeah.
So I just pulled up the inside of this. I'm assuming it's a Zenith because that's what I just got components on.
Old one. Look at the man. Yeah, this was stolen. The cash box and everything is missing out of it. This would have been where the cash box was. It's the receiver.
This beats using the come along, huh?
Oh, it's absolutely.
Where do you want him to go with it?
There we go. Okay.
All right, now that Jason got that phone booth out of my way, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find something. How did they get that phone thing out so far?
I don't know, but there's right there something else.
A couple more spark plugs and part of a lure. All right, so I just pulled up another spark plug and this thing, and I'm standing on Jason's rope.
Sorry.
I'm not sure what that is. If you guys know what that is, leave a comment below. Put that on there. Maybe a bolt. Melts on. Big old spring.
Oh.
It's odd. Some rusty nails. Big old nasty lure. Hook and a fake worm. That's pretty disgusting. We got something on here. Just scrap. Got something on. Let's see what it is. Sort of heavy duty bracket. We got something on. I don't know what that is. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. Jason's gonna finish up too, but he's going to another location. Let me show you what we found. So probably my biggest find is this fish net. Hannah pulled up her first magnet fishing find. This part of a pole or a stand of some sort. Did manage to get a bucket full of bits and pieces, a bunch of spark plugs. All right, again, we're heading out. Jason's gonna hit another spot. Make sure to go check out Jason's videos, subscribe to his channel, like and comment. If you like what we're doing, you're gonna love what he's doing. We'll see you next time. And as always, where there's water,
there's Daddy and Squatch.
As always, where there's water, there's Daddy and daughter.